Hello, today we're going to be talking about screencasting software. So, what exactly is screencasting? Screencasting is a technique where the computer screen is captured in a video while an audio recording is being made. Screencasting can be effective in various industries to include professional training, customer support, business, and higher education. This presentation will be reviewing 3 software products that can be used for screencasting purposes. The first software product we're going to discuss is Camtasia. Camtasia is considered one of the more feature-rich screencasting software, and it also includes a comprehensive video editing software. It offers you all the standard recording options, so you can record your entire screen or a portion of the screen, record the system audio along with your microphone audio, and combine all these streams with the webcam feed. It allows you to add elements like hotspots and quizzes inside your videos, which help make them more interactive. With the audio effects it provides, you can achieve things like removing background noise, audio comprehension, modify clip speed, and much more pretty easily. How much does it cost? Pricing for Camtasia starts at $249 as a one-time fee for up to 2 machines, and you can also get a volume discount if you want to buy multiple licenses. You can download a free trial version of the software to get familiar with it and assess if you need its all-in-one screen recording and video editing features. The next software product is going to be PowerSoft's screen recorder. PowerSoft is another screencasting software that differentiates itself as a cross-platform screen recorder. So it works on Windows and Mac, plus you can also use it for capturing screen on Android and iOS. It is packaged as a suite of different apps for screen capturing, video editing, mirroring your phone screen to desktop. The video editing features are quite limited, and you can mostly achieve a few simple things like trimming or cropping videos, adding a few additional elements like some basic shapes, icons, text notes, arrows, etc. How much does it cost? The PowerSoft Unlimited plan is $59.95 per year, and it gives you access to all the individual apps. They do offer a free screen recording option, which comes with all the standard recording features, as well as basic video editing capability. The final product we'll be reviewing is Screencast-O-Matic. The software offers all the recording features that creators need, like the ability to capture your screen, add a webcam, and record narration as well as system audio. It has a unique feature, scripted recordings, which lets you import a script and break it into sections, and then add narration and screen recording separately. You can split and trim videos, introduce additional design elements like arrows, shapes, freehand screen drawings, and visual effects like transitions, overlay effects, etc. You can also remove your background with a green screen effect, add audio effects like noise removal, and even automatically detect silences. How much does it cost? The plans cost just $18 per year, and it gives you access to the premium recording features as well as video editor. The Premier plan is the highest tier, and it costs $48 per year, but it offers you additional storage space and backs up your videos. There is also a free option, but it offers very limited recording options and zero editing features. Each of the screencasting software products reviewed in this presentation have features and capabilities that can effectively produce a quality presentation. It is important for users to select a product that is going to most effectively meet their design goals and objectives. I have used each of these products. In my opinion, Camtasia is by far the most powerful screencasting software that I've seen. However, I did not use any of the advanced video editing features during my free trial. So I decided that a more simplistic product is sufficient for me at this time. As I continue to get more comfortable with screencasting software and find myself using it more often, I will most likely go ahead and purchase Camtasia so that I will be able to take advantage of the advanced video editing features that it does offer. And I also think that in the long run, it will be more cost effective because the initial fee may be high, but it is a one-time fee for up to 2 products. So overall, I believe that Camtasia is the best screencasting software product.